Dear viewers, you are welcome to my YouTube channel Botany. This is the part 1 of Biome series, where altogether 6 videos are there. A biome is a distinct geographical region with a specific climate, vegetation, and animal life. It consists of biological communities that has formed in response to its physical environment and regional climate. Biomes may span more than one continent. A biome encompasses multiple ecosystems within its boundaries. It also comprises a variety of habitats. Location of biomes globally is influenced by the combination of factors like climate, latitude, altitude, and soil type. These factors determine the types of the plants and animals that can live in a region, ultimately shaping the characteristics of its biome. In this video, let us try to understand all these factors which affect the formation of biomes. A biome is a large geographical area characterized by a group of ecosystems sharing the same characteristics and are well adapted to the prevailing abiotic factors. Biomes include both the abiotic and biotic factors. Each biome consists of many ecosystems whose communities have adapted to the small differences in climate and the environment inside the biome. The term biome was first used in 1916 by Frederic E. Clements, an American ecologist. Biomes can be broadly classified into two main types. The terrestrial biomes, these are the land-based biomes, and aquatic biomes, which are the water-based biomes. The terrestrial biomes includes a forest biome like tropical rainforest, temperate deciduous forest, and coniferous forest. Grassland biomes include savannas, prairies, and steppes. Desert biomes include both hot and cold deserts. Tundra biome includes Arctic and alpine tundra. In aquatic biomes, freshwater biome includes lakes, rivers, ponds, and wetlands, whereas marine biome includes oceans, estuaries, and coral reefs. The influencing factors which determine the biome formation. The first one is the climate. The climate is the average weather in an area over a long period of time. It includes elements such as temperature and precipitation. Temperature falls from the equator to the poles. Major temperature zones are based on their latitude. They include tropical, temperate, and Arctic zones. However, other factors like latitude may also influence the temperature. The temperature also falls from lower to the higher altitudes. For instance, deserts are typically found in the areas with low rainfall and high temperature, while rainforests are found in the regions with high rainfall and warm temperature. The tundra biome is found in areas with cold temperatures and low precipitation. So, the climate determines the types of the plants that can grow in a region, which in turn influence the type of animals that can live in that particular region. Another factors includes latitude and altitude. The Earth's tilt causes different latitudes to receive different amounts of sunlight and heat. For example, tropical rainforests are found near the equator where the sunlight is most intense, while tundra are located near the poles where the sunlight is least intense. The amount of sunlight a region receives affects the temperature and the length of its growing season, both of which influence the types of organisms that can live there. Altitude, or the height above the sea level, is another factor that influences the location of the biomes. As altitude increases, temperature decreases, and this can lead to different biomes being found at different altitudes in the same mountain. For example, a mountain might have forest biome at its base and tundra biome at its peak. Another influencing factor is the precipitation. In terms of moisture, the climates can be classified as arid, semi-arid, and humid or semi-humid regions. The amount of moisture depends on both precipitation and evaporation. Precipitation increases the moisture, whereas evaporation decreases the moisture. The precipitation is also influenced by the temperature. Warm air can hold more moisture than cold air. So, tropical areas receive more rainfall than other parts of the world. Nearness to the ocean and mountain ranges may also influence the amount of precipitation in an area receives. Evaporation of moisture is greatest where it is hot and sunny. Therefore, cold climates with low precipitation may not be as dry as warm climates with the same amount of precipitation. Moist air from the ocean rises up over the mountain range. As the air rises, it cools and its water vapor condenses. Precipitation falls on the windward side of the mountain range. The air is dry when it reaches the leeward side of the mountain range, so there is a little precipitation there. This creates a rain shadow area. The soil is another factor which influences biome formation. The characteristics like nutrient content, drainage, texture, and composition all play a significant role in shaping the plant communities that can establish themselves in a region. These plant communities in turn define the type of biome that exists. With reference to the nutrient content, rich fertile soils with high levels of nutrients support diverse plant life, leading to biomes like tropical rainforests or temperate deciduous forests, whereas low nutrient content support limited plant growth like those found in deserts and tundra. So drainage is another factor. The well-drained soils allow excess of water to percolate, which is suitable for many plants. These soils are often found in grasslands like savannas and some temperate forests. Poorly drained soils retain water, creating conditions suitable for wetland biomes like marshes, swamps, and mangroves. With reference to texture and composition, the soil texture like sandy, loamy, clayey affects water retention and nutrient availability. Sandy soils drain quickly and have low nutrient holding capacity, while clay soils retain water well but can be nutrient deficient if not balanced with other components. The soil composition, including the presence of minerals like calcium, magnesium, can also influence the types of plants that can thrive in a particular area. Now, the significance of the biomes. The ecological significance includes biodiversity hotspots, ecosystem services, and habitats. Many biomes are home to a vast array of plant and animal species contributing to Earth's biodiversity. Biomes provide essential ecosystem services like oxygen production, water purification, climate regulation, soil formation, and nutrient cycling. They offer habitats for countless organisms supporting complex food webs and ecological interactions. The human significance includes resources, climate regulation, recreation and tourism, cultural and spiritual values. Biomes provide vital resources like food, timber, medicine, and other natural products. Forests in particular help regulate global climate by absorbing carbon dioxide. Many biomes offer opportunities for recreation, tourism, and spiritual connection. The biomes often hold cultural and spiritual significance for indigenous people. Now, the challenges and conservation. The human activities like deforestation, pollution, climate change, and overexploitation pose significant threats to the biomes. Protecting biomes is essential for maintaining ecological balance, preserving biodiversity, and ensuring the well-being of future generations. Biomes are the foundation of life on Earth. Understanding their importance is crucial for sustainable development and environmental conservation.